Johnny Depp sued Amber Heard over the Washington Post op-ed, and he won the trial. The judge announced a jury's award for Amber to pay $10.35 million to Johnny Depp for damaging his reputation by describing herself as a domestic abuse victim. Now, it seems like she has no time to arrange a big amount of money, and she is in a panic. She has only 10 to 11 days left to pay the entire amount. How will Amber arrange the money? Will she be able to pay Depp the amount? Keep watching to know more. The news came into highlight with a tweet saying, "The time is covered and Heard has only 11 days to pay the amount to Depp to file an appeal. Till then, she is not able to file any appeal against him. Final date to pay is July 24th. Depp had sued the actress for $50 million for allegedly implying that he abused her in a 2018 Washington Post article. In response, the Aquaman actress filed a counterclaim for $100 million. Following the trial, the Virginia jury determined that Heard should pay $15 million in damages for defaming him, while Depp should pay $2 million. However, the amount owed by Heard was reduced to $10.35 million due to Virginia laws that limit punitive damages. Recently, she made an appeal and that got canceled. Amber Heard moved the court to file another case after a weeks-long trial packed with grilling cross-examination. She and her legal team believe that the verdict favoring her ex-husband Johnny Depp was unjust. Her plea, on the other hand, was dismissed by a judge. Heard's attorneys asked Judge Penny Askred to vacate the court's decision, awarding Depp $10 million and declaring a mistrial, claiming that one of the 7 jurors had been replaced. They claimed that instead of the original summoned juror, their son appeared in court, and they called it a case of mistaken identity. Askred denied the request, claiming that there was no evidence that the verdict was unjust. There is no evidence of fraud or wrongdoing, she said, and the juror met the statutory service requirements. The juror was vetted, sat for the entire jury, deliberated, and reached a verdict, the lawyer continued. Heard's lawyers also claimed that the amount she must pay Depp was excessive, but the latter's legal team rejected the appeal. The actor's lawyer, Ben Chu, mentioned the incident as what we expected, just longer, no more substantive. A month after the final verdict in the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard case, a new appeal was filed. Fans were all excited that this long defamation trial is finally coming to an end, with Heard paying Depp the amount. One fan said, "She must pay Johnny Depp regardless of whether she files an appeal. She's screwed either way. Yay!" Another added that she only has to pay $500 to file an appeal. If she wants to prevent JD from collecting on the award during the appeal process, which could take years, she must pay a suspension bond of $10.3 million plus 6%. Law and Lumber, a Virginia lawyer, did a video breakdown of it. One more comment says, "Yes, she does, and the judge has made it abundantly clear that there will be no suspension of bond. And Johnny will have to pay the full bond plus 6% interest if he appeals a $2 million suit, which he will do because Amber was wrong." Another says she can declare bankruptcy, but the money she owes Depp will remain unpaid. Because of the willful malice, that cannot and will not be forgiven. He has the option of pursuing assets or future earnings. One more fan said, "So we can all dance into the weekend knowing we aren't millions in debt and being sued for millions more." Another says, "Is Elon sugar daddy going to write a check? You know, the liar is probably constantly calling and texting him." One fan wrote, "I really hope he doesn't let her get away with it. She is deserving of punishment for putting him through this for years. Nonetheless, she accepts no responsibility. She shouldn't get off so lightly. She never let up on him, just piled on lie after lie. Throw the book at her, Johnny Depp." A fan said, "The judge is finished with his woman. She signed off on the final judgment and there will be no more appeals." Late last night, a statement was issued. One said, "In all of this, Elon is a good guy. His competitors duped him into a massive scheme. Although he became entangled in legal issues, he was genuinely trying to help who he thought was his girlfriend at the time. He had no idea who was behind the scheme." What do you think about Amber's situation right now? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more.